Okay, so today we'll be talking about layers in Photoshop. Most most graphic design software work based with layers, and in order to effectively use the software, particularly Photoshop, you need to understand how the layers of system works. So now let's imagine you have, let's say, a stack of books, and you're looking at it from the top. So you notice that is the topmost one is the one that you see the color, while those at the bottom, they won't be visible. So the same principle applies here too. So same principle applies here. So let's change the colors of each one. So here, as you can see, this rectangle here is the topmost one. So that's what we can see. While the one at the bottom, because it's sticking out, that's why we can see it. If I decide to use this one and cover it, and cover this, you wouldn't know that those rectangles are below it. So other ways to see those rectangles, you can just click on this eye symbol. That means to hide it. Just click. I can see the layer below. Click, see the layer below. Like that, like that. So with that, you can use it to organize your layers and to effectively work well your design. So let's say this one, I want it to be behind this black. I'll just click here, say drag to the bottom here, like this. And as you can see, it has gone behind it. Or I want the black to be on top. I click and I drag it up, and it's on top of all the layers. So that's it, and that's how it works.